Alberta is changing, and so is the way we build. Buildings are a major source of emissions, and with energy costs rising, our industry needs practical, real-world solutions.
One of the biggest challenges in industry is that we have ever-changing materials. Every building we build on the commercial side, almost everyone is unique in some capacity. And then think about all of the changing building codes and inspections that we're now throwing on buildings. So all of that complexity basically means it's more and more difficult to keep quality of a build high.
That's why Alberta Ecotrust worked with the industry to create enbix, an initiative that connects industry professionals, shares practical knowledge, and gives industry the tools to advance building practices across Alberta.
One of the really unique things and why we've been so happy to partner with enbix is they've taken a very different approach from maybe what we've seen in the past, where you had different groups with very specific singular focuses. In terms of, it could be purely energy efficiency, it could be purely a whole bunch of other different things. But what enbix has done, I think, again, has brought that level of collaboration that just I've never seen in this space.
Construction associations often represent sort of the commercial side and build is residential. We're not always in the same room together, so enbix can help be that connective tissue between us. And then also brings together, municipalities or other knowledge that's coming from other jurisdictions. So there's a huge role to be played in bringing that sustainability knowledge and making it so that we're all working sort of on the same team as we do that, and just making sure we're all aware of what everyone else is doing and leveraging that information.
Those conversations weren't happening a decade ago. While there was really well-intentioned people, really well-intentioned kind of groups focused on trying to advance high-performing homes, there just wasn't that collaboration to bring in the real-world challenges that exist when you're trying to build these homes. And then by really bringing those real-world challenges to the forefront, you're then actually able to figure out real-world solutions.
If you work in building, construction, renovation, or any related field, enbix is your go-to hub. Head to enbix.ca to get started.